Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Thursday, January 28th, 2021. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Right now, we are starting to see a reversal off the lows after yesterday's significant selling pressure. One thing we've seen here is price push below the previous session's low barely, and then return and bounce back above that low. We're now seeing a bullish extreme reversal buy signal develop here off of these lows. And again, we're still in that framework of buying the dips until proven otherwise. So the big pullback we've seen yesterday here allows for another buy the dip opportunity as this thing likely continues higher ahead. Again, needs to get back above the 37.75s, but we could be looking at a continuation that takes this thing through the recent highs and likely into that next major upside target of 39.76 from where we currently are right now, 37.59s. We could be looking at a 39.76 target here over the next couple of weeks. So very, very strong reversal that's developing right now in the 60-minute time frame. We are seeing buy signals across the board in the ES, NQ, YM here, with about 8-9 minutes as of the point of this recording here to finish that hour. So right now, very, very bullish intraday buy signals developing as this has a higher time frame buy signal as well. This could lead to a very nice continuation up. Price needs to reclaim the 37.77 level. All right, let's take a look here at the NQ. Like the ES right now, up 60-minute buy signal developing, extreme reversal buy signal developing. Straight from my book, Secrets of a Pivot Boss, a pullback, very extreme pullback yesterday, and now we're starting to see a push above the open price here. That could lead to, again, a buy the dip opportunity and a continuation higher over the next 1 to 2 weeks. The intraday time frame, the 60-minute chart, showing a buy signal developing as well, and that could lead to strength the rest of the session back toward yesterday's midpoint of 13.235 and perhaps higher. To the 13.267s and beyond. So again, looking for this thing to find a strong low and continue higher off that low, and right now it looks to be doing that off the previous month's close. Let's take a look now at crude oil. Crude oil also developing a buy signal in the 60-minute time frame, also showing a push to the 4 or 5 day highs right now. This one has developed a tremendous compression pattern over the last 10, 12, 13 days. We can put a 12 right here, this parameter, and we can do a 12-day look back just to see what it looks like here over these 12 days. You can see the compression. You can see it's compressed below 65%, and you're seeing a range, again, of over 6 handles of potential movement ahead. We have sideways price action the last 2+ weeks, building energy in an uptrending market. The next move will likely take this thing much, much higher. Again, if we're basing off the low here of 51.44, then we're looking at a 57+ move right now. This has the shot to get a major breakout. We're right at the point here where we could begin to see that major breakout. Whether it happens today or happens another day, we'll see. But if it can get through these recent highs, 53.50, it will start to open up clear air above. For crude oil. All right, let's take a look here lastly at gold futures. What you're seeing in gold right now is a little bit of a bounce off the 1840 level. 1840 was the zone we talked about yesterday. Is, if it can't really hold that level, we might see this type of a drop, right, where we're seeing bulls come in and defend. If it can't go up, then you might need some sort of shakeout here. We're right in that zone right now that it's trying to hold. Bulls are trying to get this thing to go up. If they ultimately fail, we'll get another drop here into 1766s. Right now, 1840 is the level here as this thing continues to develop. Overall, we've had a pretty strong move right now over the last 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if they can hang on for a continuation higher. Again, bulls really need price to get back above 1874s, and that opens up these targets into 1950 to 1960. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.